morning we're headed up to look at a motor, and I believe we're going to purchase it for my Firebird. Happened to be perusing Craigslist, something I don't do very often, but I was looking at Craigslist last night for a transmission for the Bonnie, and I found this 5.7 LM7 engine, and I'm going to buy, I think, this engine. It's got everything on it that I need and more, and it's pretty low miles. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to take a look at it and see what we think. So LM7 is really what I want, but this engine I'm going to do some work on. We're not just going to do this as a turnover engine. Plan on doing some modifications to it. I'm going to follow a guide that Richard Holdner did on his 5.3. So looking to get about 100 horsepower per liter or 530 horsepower from this engine, naturally aspirated. So that's my plans. I think that'll be plenty of horsepower for my Firebird and what I'm planning on doing. So we're going to run up here and take a look and see how the motor is. Happy Father's Day, everybody. So, work of choice for me for Father's Day, power wash LS's. But it's coming along real good. It's looking good. It's the L59. This is the LM7 that is going in my Firebird. So this one, the heads are coming off, the cam's coming out, the timing chain, all that fun stuff. Putting new heads, cam, lifters, timing chain, springs, the whole thing. So this is a longer term project. This one's going in the Monty, and this is a shorter term project, and my hand is in the way. Let's try that again. So this is a shorter term project. So this one is getting intake, gaskets that are required, headers, that kind of stuff. So, but this one's getting, that one right there is getting all of that and more. So, like I said, long-term project on the Firebird LM7, and L59 is going to get shorter term stuff for the money. So here goes, clean away. It's a beautiful day out, nice day to get covered in grease and having some fun. I'm so greasy. I'm so greasy. Happy Father's Day.